Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to add hundreds of TikTok accounts to MKT Tik Pro in just a few minutes and let them automatically like, comment, and follow safely? In this video, I'll guide you step by step from preparation to running the task and show you how to avoid checkpoint issues. First, we need to prepare a list of accounts and proxies, then add them to the software. Next, go to the interactive function feature. I'll add a random script here. Let's choose script 3. After creating the script, tick the actions you want your accounts to perform. Here, I'll set them to watch 3 to 5 videos, with each video watched for 10 to 30 seconds. Finally, set the total number of actions and save the settings. Then, select your accounts, choose the script you just created, and click Start. The software will automatically log into your TikTok accounts and start interacting for you. Enjoy watching the video, and see you in the next one. If you'd like to purchase this software, feel free to contact me.